This is an LG microwave model LMV1764, and pretty straightforward, okay? Inside you're gonna have a carousel, okay, which is pretty standard in most microwaves. You've got a light for your surface, which is on or off, high and low on the vent, okay? And there are options for one touch. So you've got a bag of popcorn, and you can set the ounces, potato, all the way through to a frozen entree, okay? You never wanna run a microwave without something in it. You will cause an issue. The other thing you never wanna put in a microwave are metal pans, metal glasses, anything metal, keep out of the microwave because you will cause damage to the microwave, okay? Other than that, it is a great microwave. There is an energy saving function here, which cuts down on power. I don't recommend this because you're not going to get favorable results. It is a feature that I would stay away from. So that's it.